Tulano habayman ho joto ani media kising sono tini sing atisa je mo thaw tongmani student organization IPF tini kaisa allied organization banner tolao tongmani sing tini hai salo sing subai dekha sinoro buskango joto central committee member tongo working president SGS dai committee central committee Thanayo sung committee hoite se kaisa meeting like kaisa ni student organization hoite central committee meeting executive committee was sung divisional aika joto entire 21 divisions tai central committee joto existence tongnai ro arono sidan tona laika sung buskang ni movement tai Tipralen no bahke tumnani ba greater Tipralen no bahke acquire khainani abono toine sing alochona khamani bisingo sing abono nukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingtei sing abo sobo mona tongo aboni bagainai sing tini ni simi sing additional result painai sabai sing gotar motha ba Tipra motha o sing join sinai tai gobang motha rongno ba angko pobunga musingo cikon tongnai rongno sing under Bobagrani bising tike sing thansani bising tike maidomo sing agirogo sing saimalia baksa borok bujilia ui tongmano aborongno taisa wansugine sing greater thansani bagai greater interest di prasani bagine joton abugi phake saw abuno ani musummu tabu abo simia chini thinang ni chini bobishot no sung nasi thangkangke sing kunu jagati phano sing kodon hojangani motok groi sini bubagra no kare bubagra ka kaisa khani bubagra kaisa thinang ni bagane sini Tiprasa ni bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khlai kyang ka se mumsa kaisa se sung mani mana abuno sung bisas khainai sung artisar ram bu kai dene o salo sung IPF de Tipra mo thani sung join khaipe asuma
acha nok to IPF ti bedek sing no IPF ti nok mungsa sok sawi de ka ba sung or thak china no ni saw ga to
sung already sung chini meeting of decision naka IPF ti ni bisingo bo sung saklai jak tongo chini bisingo kok tongo abo no sung salai nai sung sidan to khlai nai sung phaki.
So you said you are joining with Tipra Motha today. Previously you were working with IPFT. Do you think the leaders from the IPFT have failed to meet the demand which was raised 3 to 5 years back while they contested in the 2018 election? Also the recent elections in the TTADC where we have seen the youth have come in support of Tipra. So do you think these two reasons are why you have joined today Tipra?
That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the IPFT worked and they tirelessly for the liberation of Tipraland for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by IPFT. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the Tiprasa inquire or in which place we to settle. On that occasion, we observed that is a curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest. For any upliftment of our Tiprasa, we need the movement that need to secure so early. So IPFT can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just late them.
So your comment has saying that IPFT has failed miserably to fulfill its demands, Tipraland.
Yeah, of course, that every one of the Tiprasa people they know this. The IPFT demand has becoming declining day by day, and due to that we compelled to join to another organization so that we need to upgrade more movements for the betterment of the Tiprasa and for the liberation of Greater Tipraland or Greater Tipraland as well.
How are you looking forward to work with Tipramotha?
Pardon?
How are you looking forward to work with your team with Tipramotha now?
I hope so under the banner of the Bubagra, we hope so there will be a unique and there will be a sensation in viewpoint and further in future also. And we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity. Sini kuno aro student na tona organization na to aga yuto da tona abo sungkuno saimia ko sini ideology sini boba grano all round sung surrender khakya je jago sungno bo tang flyna ni musum abno no gubon thane ya pare ne bo yuto da ba student organization da ba to bo kai sung kaisa kuno kaisa committee khaiba no sung kaisa greater movement no thangani basini je target to sung thangani bagene sin abno no hobi sin join ko
asta kai so IPF tu tong khata ma Tipraland mana ne kono samo mana kre amai de one chok na bo mai one chok to tin bua gran khancho
tini abono sungani musungo IPF ti joto borong no saimano sungan musumani box IPF tino nasiki joto borong no khaya khansa kya ba khansa ne boro sung bobagra response khaya joto borong no assemble khaya kya ba IPF ti durbagyo umile khansa ne malia aro sung bilai no bukha kudrum kha mo BJP bai tongoi sung Tipraland manaida abo sini bukha confusion kha nakai judi no sung sarkaro tongone judi no maike tongna nakai sini demand no sung sukumai rohmani no sabu nakai jehetu sini habu bagra tongo bo nije agi bo od demand no hamjinga tabu a demand joto Tiprasa rong naisikini bo abno rise khaike Tiprasa hamkai ni bagine ta sung abno naisikini bini bisitike sung join khaike naka bono thaimana na haima sugine sung
IPF tu amai sang juri khai tong thinanga IPF tu tong na bo hai one chok ni
abo bong ni member IPF di party ni abo sung sai oi yo borong ni ideology borong alada borong one sunai borong strategy borong alada party